Hello and welcome everyone. In the last video of the Inventory for You and Me series, we explored a concept called picking. Today, we are going to look at some of the most common ways to go about picking items in your warehouse. Types of picking. 1. Picking by order. Here, a dedicated pick list is created for each sales order and is assigned to a warehouse worker who picks the items one by one until they have collected all the items needed to fulfill that order. This can also be done in batches where each warehouse worker is assigned to pick items one by one for multiple orders, which may or may not be from the same customer. This approach is best suited for businesses that get a lot of custom orders, and in situations where more emphasis is placed on accuracy over time. 2. Picking by customer. This is a method adopted mainly by sellers that often get multiple orders from each customer during the same time period. Here, orders are consolidated for each customer and a common pick list is generated for them. This list is then assigned to one or more warehouse workers and a picking route is generated with the help of an order management system to direct them efficiently. 3. Picking by item. In this approach, individual pick lists may be generated for each item you sell, and are assigned to the workers in charge of the appropriate zones where the item are located within the warehouse. This is mainly adopted by those businesses with large warehouses that sell items in bulk. 4. Wave picking. In this approach, a pick list comprised of multiple items across multiple orders is generated for each zone within the warehouse, and assigned to dedicated zonal pickers who get the relevant items to the sorting station. These items are then matched against individual orders before they are packed and shipped to end customers. That concludes our brief discussion on some common types of picking. We'll be back with another topic for you next week. Cheers!